shrimp fried riced cauliflower. It's high protein and low on carbs. And the best thing of all, it's a 30-minute meal. Let's go. I'm using frozen veggies for my fried rice, along with some badia fried rice seasoning and oyster sauce. And this is KendyK all day. So let's get started with this delicious, very veggie shrimp fried rice cauliflower. So I think you can probably imagine, yep, I am substituting the rice in this fried rice dish with riced cauliflower. And this is a recipe because it's so full of great flavors and lots of veggies that you won't even notice that you're not having the carb-laden rice. Yeah, I'm on a healthy eating journey, and in the process, I'd love to lose some of these pounds before I hit my 50th birthday in October. Libras. I've been sauteing and just softening up my veg, and it's a lot of veg. I use 2 bunches of chopped green onions in this, about a half a bag, so about a cup of diced onions and some 3-color bell pepper strips. I just wanted to soften them, but keep the integrity of them. And I am sauteing them in some extra virgin olive oil. I'm now pushing this to the side because I am upping the protein. Again, I'm on a healthier eating lifestyle with the help of a dietitian and one of my new friends, Coach Mean Green. So I am making this a power-packed protein meal, and I'm using 2 eggs in this dish. 2 eggs in this meal to make it a power-packed meal in addition to my shrimp. I just scrambled these eggs, whisked them up, and now I push my veggies to the side, and now I am cooking my eggs until they're done. I went ahead and added some black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder to my eggs. Now, this is a 30-minute meal, and I get this meal quick and easy to the table by using my microwave and the steamable frozen bag veggies, including the riced cauliflower and even my veggies, the rest of the veggies that you'll see in this dish, all cooked in the microwave. Y'all, the microwave is your friend, especially for steaming veggies for 1 or 2. And I'm a household of 1, well, just me and Sheba, the dog. So, steaming my veggies in the mic is a go-to. And alternately, you can just take your frozen veggies and pop them straight into your skillet, your wok, and cook them that way. Either way, to each his own. My kitchen, my way. Your kitchen, your way. I'm going in with some badia fried rice seasoning. I purchased this seasoning on Amazon. You can drop down in the description box and look for a link to pick up this seasoning yourself. And now that my eggs are done, I'm going ahead and mixing everything together. See, it's already looking so full of color. Look at all of those deep, dark colors. And according to the Healthy Plate Guidelines and my dietitian, I want to have each of my meals be at least half of the plate veggies and only 1/4 of the plate to be protein. So far, so good. So I'm just pushing my egg mixture and veg mixture to the side to make room for the star of the show, my shrimp. These shrimp have already been thawed, rinsed from frozen, and the tail's already off, deveined, and peeled. And as you can see here, now I'm going to go in with all of my seasonings, and you guessed it, it's that garlic powder, onion powder, the Badia fried rice seasoning. And just keep in mind that as you're adding the Badia fried rice seasoning, that is full of sodium. So notice that I am only using the Badia fried rice seasoning, and then the oyster seasoning is coming up later. Those two things are full of sodium, so I won't be adding any other salt flavors to my dish. Garlic powder and onion powder, add as much as you wish. Not garlic salt, garlic powder and onion powder. Always gives a good flavor to whatever you're cooking. And I think you've probably already noticed, if you are one of my subscribers, thank you for checking out KendyK all day. But yeah, garlic powder and onion powder, they're my go-tos. So as you can see, I just covered my shrimp up with all of that veg and my cooked scrambled eggs, because we want all that goodness and those flavors and those peppers and green onions and white onions. We want all of that down in our shrimp, right? Right. And then I added my first bit of the oyster sauce. And if you can't find oyster sauce, you can also use fish sauce. I found these in the aisle at Walmart, where they sell the Chinese soy sauce type of stuff. And I probably would have picked up some low sodium soy sauce, but I had it on my delivery order from Walmart, and they must have been out of stock. And I did intentionally want to get the low sodium soy sauce because, again, we already have enough heavily laden sauces with the Badia fried rice seasoning and the oyster sauce. So I was going to reduce calories, but hey, yeah, I didn't even miss the soy sauce in this dish. I just used a little bit more of the oyster sauce and the Badia seasoning. And I would tell you, be careful as you are adding those two, because, you know, especially if it's your first time using these, I added it twice before I found the right flavoring mix. And so, yeah, just add a little bit as you go. See if you need a little bit more until it tastes like shrimp fried rice, but with riced cauliflower. I also had a bit of that softened butter, and this too was a substitution, but because the Kerrygold, y'all, everybody's onto the garlic and herb Kerrygold butter. So they were out. They gave me this as a substitution, and I've used it before. It works well as well. Anything just to get those flavors kicked up. And wow, I'm going ahead. As you can see, I'm making my big skillet. I don't have a wok, but I'm using my big skillet full of this shrimp fried riced cauliflower for meal prep purposes. This is going to be dinner tonight, and then I'm putting the rest into 1 or 2 serving containers, and you guessed it, into the freezer it goes. And in case you didn't know, this is KendyK all day. And I'm a new YouTube content creator in these YouTube streets. And my first goal, y'all, is 500 subscribers. I'm about 140 subscribers away from reaching my goal of 500 subscribers. So I want to first thank my current subscribers, and if you're not a subscriber, go ahead, subscribe to your girl. This is KendyK All day. Here's another little drizzle of that oyster sauce, and I wait for those shrimp to turn just pink, and then y'all, it's ready for my riced cauliflower that I've pre-cooked in the microwave in the steam fresh bag. Bring on the color, bring on the, more veg. And y'all, I'm using all frozen vegetables. One, because they don't have the sodium that you're going to find in canned vegetables. And who uses canned vegetables anyway in a stir fry, right? So your alternate here, instead of frozen veggies, would be fresh veggies. And again, I'm using what I have because I keep my freezer stocked with steam fresh veggies that I can steam right in the package and add with a protein for a balanced meal. Lastly, I'm going in with more veg, y'all. Yep, more veg. I've got some broccoli florets to add to this, and then, y'all, this meal is done. It is done. Just like that, we've got a 30-minute meal with some meal prep included. Y'all, thanks for rocking and riding with your girl. This is KendyK All day. Goodbye for now.